I want 12 crores. She doesn't want the marriage. Nobody wants the marriage. But she wants today 12 crores, BMW, car, etc. My Lord's court judgment, my Lord. The Delhi High Court judgment, paragraph number 71.
Are you also having a law degree? What is the source of income presently? What is his income tax reason?
He is running two business, finance business.
From where do you get that?
These are the in lakhs. The husband has transferred to his parents immediately.
Madam, we are asking you, show us the latest income tax return.
I'm showing his LinkedIn profile. Plush apartment house, 2 bedrooms. Today it is worth, my Lord, 4 to 5 crores. Now, my Lord, she, ever since I had to leave the place, my Lord, my son also could not stay there. So we had to leave the place. She is exclusively occupying it. Now her parents have moved in with her. They were earlier staying with her brother. So they are occupying it. She's occupying it. She has not been under the agreement, fully signed, my Lord's agreement in 2022, settlement agreement, under which I said, I'm making his gift deed in your favor as far as the flat is concerned. Marriage lasted barely 1.5 years we stayed together. So, my Lord, it's quite a hefty settlement for that. She was married earlier also, and she, my Lord's 20 lakh settlement there also she got. She's an engineer come MBA, my Lords. She was working with ICICI Bank. She's capable of fending for herself, but I'm willing to, my Lord, execute this gift deed, my Lord, tomorrow. She has to pay maintenance that she was, and she's been exclusively occupying it. So, my Lord, under the agreement also she was required to pay. My Lord, if she doesn't want the flat for any reason, I will, my Lords, I will make good, my Lords, I will pay 4 crores, let her vacate the flat. But she can't have it both ways. Today, I am not getting a job, my Lords. If I lose out on these working years, I am also now quite, my Lords, I'm not so young. And I will, if I lose out on these working years, I will not have any savings for my son. I need to provide for him. So, my Lords,
Son is staying with you.
Son is, my Lord, he is not her son. He's from, both of us were previously married. And she also, my Lord, she didn't take responsibility for the son. He's my responsibility and I'm looking after him. But I need to provide for him. So, my undertakings given to the court that we will comply with this settlement. Today, she is trying to resile and saying, I want 12 crores. She doesn't want the marriage. Nobody wants the marriage. But she wants today 12 crores, BMW, car, etc. Now, my Lords, I am willing to do this. The difficulty is because she was required under this agreement to pay the maintenance and the mortgage, whatever little bit was left of the mortgage. Mortgage she paid. But, my Lord, the maintenance, which she has been staying since also 2017, she was supposed to pay. At some stage, I said that, look, I will deposit the remainder in the court. Later, you can pay me, but let's finish it. There she resided. Today she's saying, I want 12 crores and car and Stridhan and for or 5 lakhs per month. Now, my Lord, she's perfectly able-bodied with great respect, my Lord. She's very qualified. If yes. The dependent yes, I have. My Lord, I would.
You are having engineering degree in which branch?
My Lord.
You are having an engineering degree in which branch?
IT, Information Technology.
Information Technology.
Information Technology. My Lord, these are the Bombay High Court and Delhi High Court judgments of division bench, both in my favor. Kindly see. It's on record. It's on record. My Lord, I would. I am reading page number 13 of Bombay High Court judgment, page number 13. Bombay High Court judgment, page number 13. My Lord, may I read?
So these proceedings are pending before this court.
Yes, my Lord. This is the civil appeal. This was
criminal appeal.
Sorry, criminal appeal. My Lord, your Lordships have stayed this judgment of the Bombay High Court. I had mentioned to your Lordships that under 13A, my Lord, we filed the first motion. At the second motion stage, she withdrew and the court held that yes, you can. But we said, look, there's a full-fledged settlement agreement. Paragraph 13.1. May I read, my Lord?
Of course, yes.
A plain but careful reading of the FIR clearly reveals instances of cruelty inflicted by the petitioner against the respondent number 2 to such an extent that she appears to be justified in harboring an apprehension that there would be danger to her life and limb at the hands of the petitioner. My Lord, may I read page number 15? Page number 15, 5th line from the top. The admitted facts themselves prima facie indicate that
it is the petitioner and not the respondent number 2 who has failed to act in aid of the settlement agreement. The respondent wife is well within her rights to withdraw her consent to the second motion since the petitioner himself failed to act on the agreed terms. Thus,
Okay, what are the terms which are agreed before the learned mediator?
my lord,
What? Please answer the question first. We are hearing you.
10 lakhs I had to give.
What were the terms and conditions which were agreed before the learned mediator?
10 lakhs I had to give for the house EMI of HSBC Bank. I gave it to him. Further 13.5 lakhs till the date of 1st September, I had to pay whatever was pending. I had to give it to him. But it was increasing continuously. There is a 24% interest on that amount. It was a time.
If you want to
time bound
give
jet.
a first flight, then you also have to pay the maintenance for that.
My lord, what happened? 13.5 again I had to give. Then they started not to give me the papers of the flat. They were just saying, this society share certificate, we can't find it. Second car parking, that is, I bought later on. Society papers, I'll give you the power of attorney. You go to the society and take it. They were not, they were just, and what happened? It was a forced settlement. I would show you. Kindly bear me for 5 minutes.
Are we stopping you?
Card.
Are we stopping you? Then why are you saying that?
My lord, the admitted facts, my lord, I am reading, kindly bear with me, my lord. Page number 15, the admitted facts themselves primarily indicate that it is a petitioner and not the respondent number 2 who has failed to act in the act of settlement agreement. The respondent wife is well within her rights to withdraw her consent to the second motion since the petitioner himself failed to act on the agreed terms. Thus, on the acts of the conduct, respondent wife is not established to be an abuse of process of law. My lord. My lord.
Present, then let us know what is your present demand for settlement.
My lord, I would explain the case, then only I can say, my lord, kindly see the Delhi High Court judgment. Delhi High Court judgment, my lord. The Delhi High Court judgment, paragraph number 71.
Are you also having a law degree?
No. May I read page number 30, paragraph number 71? May I read, my lord?
Yes, madam. Yes, we are at
The
that.
learned single judge also failed to appreciate the binding nature of the judgment of Sureshta Devi, reaffirmed in Rajat Gupta. These authorities hold that the consent of the mutual diverts under the section 13B2 HMA must be ongoing and can be withdrawn at.
What is his present income?
Kindly read. 70 lakhs he has transferred to his father, 70 lakhs again to his.
That was which year?
70, pardon?
That was which year?
2017, immediately after leaving me in.
They are asking you what is the source of income presently? What is his income tax reason?
He is running 2 business, finance business.
From where do you get that?
Yes, that's the evidence I'm showing. My lord, kindly see. Treasury management. He is the Citibank director of Treasury Management.
From the prospectus or any document?
Yes.
Or from the records of the
Yes.
the company?
Kindly bear with me. I'm showing in my.
Do you think that we are not bearing with you?
I'm
Why are you repeating this statement now and again?
nervous. That's why I'm saying.
You can't be nervous. You have to be confident when you are demanding 12 crores and a BMW.
My lord, kindly see page number 129 of volume 1 of my reply. Page number 129. These are the in lakhs. The my husband has transferred to his parents immediately.
Madam, we are asking you, show us the latest income tax bill.
I'm showing his LinkedIn profile. His LinkedIn profile is at page number 145.
Of
145 of volume 1.